Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. First, grab some Elmer's glue. Okay, you got your bowl. You got your Elmer's glue. And you got your activator. Then dump the glue in the bowl. Make sure you have a bowl so that it doesn't get messy. Put all the glue in. So get it all out. Okay. So I'm going to take the glue out. So that glue's empty now. Yeah, I got a little bit on my face. And now, take some activator, which is going to activate it. So you want to pour in a little, because I have a big amount, and it will look like this. And as you can see, the activator is right there. Okay, so you grab a spoon and you start stirring it. This is the satisfying part, so now I'm going to be quiet because of the stirring sound. As you can see, I'm hardly using it, the activator, so that's because you don't want to waste it. And it kind of thickens, so yeah, that's good. See, it's kind of turning into slime. You can also watch a different video if you want. I don't know why you would click on this if you wanted to watch a different video. But anyways, satisfying part. Yeah. So, kind of, just keep mixing. Nom 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 nom. So, your arm might get tired. Mine's tired. As you can see, it's turning into slime.